Most guests will never compliment your laundry, but they will absolutely complain when it's wrong. Wrinkled sheets, dingy towels, linens that feel rough or smell off. In hospitality, laundry isn't a background task. It's a direct reflection of your brand. And when it fails, your reviews feel it immediately. That's why Mountain Fresh Laundry ends customer complaints. From short-term rentals to full-scale hotels, Mountain Fresh Laundry is built for one purpose: keeping your properties guest-ready without the stress, delays, or inconsistency that destroy five-star experiences. This isn't a small washer and dryer setup. This is a commercial operation designed to move volume without cutting corners. Visualize rows of large commercial laundry carts, packed with freshly cleaned sheets and towels. Box trucks pull in, loading carts efficiently, delivering clean, folded linens exactly when they're needed. Everything runs on schedule because hospitality doesn't wait. If you manage vacation rentals, Airbnbs, VRBOs, cabins, or luxury homes, you already know the pressure of turnover days. Guests check out, new guests arrive, and everything has to be perfect in between. Laundry becomes the bottleneck that slows everything down. Mountain Fresh Laundry removes that bottleneck. With our short-term rental laundry service, we manage the entire process from pickup to delivery. Your linens are professionally cleaned, sanitized, dried, folded, and returned ready for immediate use. No last-minute panic. No running loads overnight. No wondering if you'll make check-in time. And when bookings increase, your laundry service shouldn't fall apart. Mountain Fresh Laundry scales with your business. Whether you're handling a few properties or dozens, we have the capacity to keep up, even during peak seasons. For hotels, motels, lodges, and resorts, the stakes are even higher. Consistency isn't just expected, it's required. Guests notice everything. One bad towel can undo an entire stay. That's why our commercial laundry service is designed for high-volume operations that demand reliability. Sheets, towels, robes, and specialty items are processed with commercial-grade precision, ensuring every return load meets the same standard: spotless, soft, and perfectly folded. Mountain Fresh Laundry ends customer complaints by doing what others don't, delivering the same quality every single time. What truly separates us is flexibility. We don't believe in one-size-fits-all laundry. Mountain Fresh Laundry offers custom pricing for large orders and fully customizable service plans to ensure a perfect match for each customer. Your volume, your schedule, your turnaround time. Our service is built around your needs. Need frequent pickups across multiple properties? Need same-day or next-day turnaround? Need a solution that adapts as your business grows? We build it with you. Our professional-grade equipment, trained staff, and streamlined logistics allow us to handle large orders without sacrificing care. Every load is tracked. Every delivery is planned. Every client is treated like a long-term partner, not just another stop on a route. Because when laundry works smoothly, everything else does too. Your team gains time. Your operations stay on schedule. Your guests walk into a space that feels clean, intentional, and welcoming. And most importantly, complaints disappear. Mountain Fresh Laundry ends customer complaints by eliminating one of the most common causes of negative reviews in hospitality. Clean linens aren't optional. They're the foundation of trust between you and your guests. Whether you're managing short-term rentals, running a boutique hotel, or overseeing a large resort, the right laundry partner changes everything. Mountain Fresh Laundry delivers capacity, consistency, and customization, all in one service. Visit mountainfreshlaundry.com and experience what happens when laundry stops being a problem and starts being a competitive advantage. Mountain Fresh Laundry. Clean done right.